Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to transfer data from or to Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and S10 Ultra. So if you want to transfer files, whether it is to your tablet or from your tablet, you can use an app that is called Smart Switch. You can find it in the Samsung folder in the app drawer, and it looks pretty much like this. Now, of course, you will also need to have the same app on your other device if you have a smartphone, whether it is Samsung smartphone or any other Android smartphone, or even iPhone. You should be able to download the app. You can use the Play Store or App Store in order to find the same app, Smart Switch. So once you open it, I have mine over here on my private smartphone as well. We can transfer data. So now we need to decide if we want to send data or receive data. So let's say I want to transfer data from my phone to this tablet. So I can press receive data, then I can choose the source. So if you have Galaxy or Android, then you can select that option. Of course, if you have iPhone or iPad, then you can choose the other option. So let's go over here. I'm gonna use wireless method. Of course, you can also use cable, but I think wireless is definitely good enough. And now we can get connected. So we need to now connect with the tablet. If you don't know how to do that, then I'm gonna show you in a second, but technically you can also press this button, this text actually gets Smart Switch on your old device in order to find the option to download the app. So if you have issues with finding the app in the Play Store or App Store, you can use that button over here. Now, over here on my smartphone, I'm gonna press let's go. I'm gonna choose the same thing, wireless, and now we are getting connected. So now we need to leave as it is. And there we go, we are being connected. Just in a sec, we should see, there we go, we have invitation to connect, so I'm gonna press accept. And there we go, we are scanning, the tablet is scanning the smartphone with the, in order to find potential threats. And now we can choose what we want to do. So over here, there's nothing really we can do anymore, so I can put this aside, because everything happens on the tablet now. And you can choose to transfer pretty much everything. We can also see the size and approximate time. We can transfer just accounts, calls, contacts, and messages, or you can choose custom. You can also see what cannot be transferred, so we cannot transfer calls and contacts, and some apps cannot be transferred as well, but just some of them. So if you choose custom, we can press next. Then we can choose by ourselves what we can transfer. Over here, if there is something that cannot be transferred, you will see this red exclamation point. And in addition to that, you can also find the SD card. So if you have SD card or memory card inserted into the smartphone, then you should be able to detect it in this app as well. So you can also transfer not only from a device, but from the memory card that is inside the device as well. And you can choose, of course, to transfer everything, like every image, every video that you have, or you can go one by one and decide by yourself. So if you tap on this arrow on the right side, then you will open folders and you have access to pretty much everything, and you can select what you want to transfer. You can tap on these checks or circles in order to select what you want to transfer. And once you are done, what you can do is scroll all the way down, and then at the bottom you will have transfer, and then you simply follow the instructions in order to finalize the process of sending data. Now I'm gonna also show you how it looks like when you want to send data from your tablet to your other device. So I'm gonna this time press send data. Of course, once again I'm gonna choose wireless. We are searching for the device to connect. So once again on the smartphone, we're gonna press let's go, wireless, and once again we need to get connected. And once we connect, we should be able to see everything on the smartphone instead of the tablet, once it is of course detected. So let's wait for the devices to connect. Okay, so it seems that you can only connect with the Galaxy device because it keeps searching and searching, and it doesn't connect at all. So in that case, unfortunately, you will have to use a third-party app that will allow you to transfer data. So if you cannot connect like I did for some reason, then in that case you need to download another app. And I actually have a pretty good app that works well on both the tablet and on Android, also on iPhone as well, on iOS. So what we can do is search for an app that is called Send Anywhere. And you, of course, you also want to install it on your other device as well, naturally. But essentially, I'm gonna also quickly show you how it works. So if we open, unfortunately, we have the portrait mode enabled. So here we need to, at the top, we need to confirm that we agree to terms and service, and then we also acknowledge that we have read the privacy policy, and then at the bottom we need to confirm. Now we need to grant access to certain permissions. There we go. Do we want to send notifications? We can allow. If you see this information about updates, we can select not now and then OK. Of course, we can use Wi-Fi Direct. Unfortunately, I cannot really switch. Oh, there we go. I can switch to this view. Nice. All right, so essentially what you need to do is, if you want to send from the tablet, you can also receive, of course, but since we know how to receive already by using the smart switch, I'm going to show you how to send by using this app. So over here, you can choose whatever you want to transfer. Of course, over here at the top, we have categories. So if you want to transfer something, let's say I'm gonna select these photos over here, you can switch to audio. If you have audio, then you can select audio, of course, and so on and so forth. And then over here at the bottom, we have the size, and on the right side, we have send button. So if you press send, then you have this code and QR code. So you can use one of these two methods that allow you to connect with another device. So let me quickly show you also how it looks like from the device point. Of course, there's a potential for ads. There we go. So over here you can press receive, of course, and then you can enter the code over here, or you can press this QR code icon in order to scan the QR code. And then once you are connected, you will need to wait just a certain amount of time in order to transfer those files, and that will be it. And then you should be able to find everything that you have selected on your selected device. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.